As-salamu Alaykum guys, and welcome back to another vlog. Today we are at Edwards Garden. This is in North York and it's a beautiful day in Toronto today, so we thought why not take the advantage and come and explore one of the parks. So this is our first time coming to this park, guys, so hopefully it will be as nice as it looks in the pictures. So far it looks really nice, so hopefully you guys will enjoy the videos. And there's coyotes here, guys. Okay, let's go.
Yeah, look, this is so nice.
Oh wow! Actually, let's go here. Check this place first. Is there a pathway down that way, or okay? Oh wow! Look at this. This is beautiful. So nice, no?
Yeah.
Mama? Amina? Are you ready for another adventure? Hello, look. Are you ready for another adventure? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you are. It's really sunny.
Who got you here, Saidul?
Huh?
Who got you here?
Yeah, thanks to Naida for finding this place.
Deep.
Right. Okay, let's go deep inside the forest. I'm sure it's gonna look even more beautiful. Are you ready, Baba? Yeah? You wanna go? Yeah. You wanna see some coyotes? No, we don't wanna see that, right? It's a perfect place to do some photo shoot, right? Saying it's a perfect place to do a photo shoot. Yeah. I know you agree, right, Mama? Yeah. Oh, look at this bridge. Oh, wow. This is so nice. Look at this. Come.
Aiden's scared of the bridge. The four of you in the bridge. Aiden's scared of the bridge. No, it's not. It's
Sure. So I just ran into one of my friends from high school. Wow. Look at this. This is like a breathtaking view. Oh my goodness. Just be careful with the stroller. It's really colorful here, so it looks so nice.
Perfect day on top.
Right?
You're gonna thank me again, Saidul.
I will. I'll thank you by treating you somewhere.
Next year, ideally, we will go to Shishir.
Right? Yeah. We could do that.
This here is like she can't.
Mama? What are you trying to say? You want to say something?
Look.
She's looking at the trees. You like it, right, Mama? What's that?
My Instagram.
Oh. I wonder how big is this park, forest, whatever you want to call it at this
like
point.
2 seasons
Oh wow,
right there.
look. 1 second. I want to check this out. Hopefully I don't slip and fall. Wow, this is pretty. Whoa. Okay. Wow, this is so nice. Okay, how do I get up? All right, made it. No, I'm good.
Yeah, but I just remember how long we paid for the book.
Yeah, no, I paid online, so I can always manually adjust it if I need it.
Look, there's another bridge.
Yeah. Another bridge, guys. Oh, this looks really nice too.
That's not most companies. Huh? No, no, I'm good. Yeah, let's sit on that bench for a bit. If we can.
In memory of Stefan. I can't really see the rest. You wanna come here? Mama? Are you enjoying this? Yeah, peekaboo. You wanna play peekaboo? Hide. Yeah. Yeah. Smell that? I don't know. It smells like sewage.
Huh? Smells like 1.2.
Oh, there's another bridge coming up. Bridge number 3. Yes, Mama. Yes. Yes. Bridge number 3. What? What's wrong? Amina? Amina? What? What happened? Actually, there's 2 bridges coming up. There's one here. Yes.
Another day I want to come to the botanical garden, which is not that far from here.
I think it's connected to this.
Or maybe this is.
Yeah, this looks so pretty.
Hi.
That's okay. She wants the stroller to continuously move. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, look at this.
Don't walk over there because it was pesticide. Pesticide, they spray stuff so that the weeds will die.
爸爸说没地方玩，就我们那个姑娘玩一下就好了。
You should jog, Saidul.
Hmm?
You should jog.
Yeah, I would if only my leg was fine.
Would you really?
No. Oh, what is this here? Oh no, never mind.
Life jacket, though.
How do you, in case if you drown in this, like really?
If there's any flood.
Oh, flood, yeah. Makes sense.
But then it's
Another bridge. There's a lot of bridges here.
it's such a nice place to come, whether you come summertime or fall.
Right? But I think fall would be like
the best. Because
it's more colorful. Yeah, so it looks nicer.
But no, summer
I'm
it's
sure-
gonna be green and warm
Yeah.
weather. You know,
Yeah, summertime would be nice too.
you won't have to layer up. We will come.
She'll be running around next summer.
Yeah. You won't be able to. Yeah, you smell it.
Yeah,
That reminds me.
that's
of
what I
childhood
smelled
though.
earlier.
That's weird, but because we were always out as kids.
Maybe it's pesticide. Is that how pesticide smells? I don't know.
I don't know. But that reminds me, because when I was a kid, we would always be outside.
Hmm.
And that's the smell of it. So
Look at this. Oh my goodness.
We're here because we must have came from this room.
So if you want to exit, it's to your left, I think. Yeah. Yeah, it's going to take us back to one of the parking lots. Oh, it's really nice over there. Okay, let's... Okay, so we decided we're going to go this way, guys.
Uphill.
Uphill. Here, let me push the stroller.
No, I'll be, unless you want support.
No, I don't need support.
I'll push my foot on you.
Okay. Yeah, it's a good workout, that's for sure.
2 days in a row, Saidul, we're doing great.
Oh, this is really nice. Be careful. Mommy? Yeah, you enjoying this, right? Yeah, but this is taking us to a road, I think. I don't know, we'll find out. Should be the parking lot, but I'm not sure. Here, let me push.
I'm halfway. Oh my god, this is... Wait.
Yeah,
Wait.
it's okay.
Imagine we have to come back again.
It sounds like a busy road up there.
Yeah.
So I don't think we took the right exit.
It's all good. I mean, we will find our way anyways.
Yep, this is definitely not it. Unless this will take us there. Hold on, let me check the GPS. Look at the backyard of this house. Wow, imagine if you had that as your backyard. I mean, at nighttime might be creepy, but it's beautiful during daytime, that's for sure. Oh yeah, it is the same. So Edwards Garden and Botanical Garden,
So the one we
it's the
went
same
to Edwards Garden,
same park, huh? I think they're just both connected. So I guess
there's
one
two
side,
sides, though.
yeah. So one side I think is
maybe the other way.
I don't know. I mean, it's a big park. We didn't really walk all the way through.
Let's demonstrate.
All right, guys. So we just discovered the Botanical Garden is actually at the same location. It's just on the other side of the parking lot. So we just walked at the Edwards Garden, and now we're gonna go check out the Botanical Garden.
Nossa, é duro demais.
I guess this is the way you enter, right? The sign, the arrow pointed this way, so let's go this way. Toronto Botanical Garden. That's the shop. So I don't know. Let's go this way. Huh?
What is this?
Floral Hall Courtyard. It's actually nice. It's a nice little spot here, but it's closed. Whatever is in there. So that's a shop right there, but I don't know what this is. Looks like a...
It's a hall, I think.
Oh yeah, it's a hall. Yeah, I see a lot of chairs inside. It's pretty.
I like it.
This is cool. I think it's this way. Hmm? Yeah. All right, nice. We were planning to come back another day for the botanical garden because we were thinking it's somewhere else, but glad that we found it. Well, let's check this out. It looks nice. That's pretty.
Oh, there's a greenhouse.
A what? Greenhouse?
Look.
Oh, let's go. Check that out. Oh, these are nice flowers. It's beautiful.
Let's do this one and then we come back.
It's pretty.
Let's check it out. This is nice for like pictures of us.
Yeah. Well, did you see the amount of people here for a photo shoot?
Yeah. Well, we found a place.
Oh, this actually looks pretty cool. Oh, the view of the tree with the sky looks so gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Not allowed. Let's get the rice garden and walk
Flowers
to.
are still on the height. There's also washroom if needed.
It's real, all right. Just making sure.
You know what it reminds me of? It's like small town.
Yeah, gives you that vibe.
Yeah. Look, these things give that vibe.
Yeah. Look at this.
I didn't know like this happened.
Yeah. She's asleep.
Hello.
Okay, let's go this way. See what's there.
There's a greenhouse. Let's check it out.
Right there? We just did. We just passed by that.
But no, we didn't pass by the greenhouse.
I mean, we didn't go in. I don't think you can go in. I'm sure it's locked. Employees only. But you can see it from outside. Yeah. What is these? This is cherry?
No.
Apple?
No.
What is it?
I don't know. But it says here. Those are people planted.
But it doesn't say what it is, right? No.
Probably like this tree show is beautiful.
It's apple. I told you, bro. Was right. Well, I don't know. Maybe they. Well, huh? Hold on. Let's take a picture here. Come. Okay, let's go see what else is there. I wonder where's the water fountain.
Oh, there's a banana tree here.
Banana tree? Oh! Wait, how is that possible? Is that real? How does banana tree grow here? It's real, all right. I think they grow it in like the greenhouse and bring it out here for the summer. I don't know. I'm curious.
400 feet is what it is for you.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna go down here and see what else is there. Yeah. There's lots of nice flowers here. Oh, that's where the waterfall is.
yeah.
There you go. We found it.
There's like, you have to like climb a hill. Everything.
Oh, look at this tree.
Yeah.
It's so nice. Actually, I want to take a picture here.
You want to take more?
Okay, let's go check out the fountain. It's not on right now, guys, but if you come here at summertime, I'm sure the fountain would be on. Wait, is that a... No, that is a fountain. Okay. I was questioning myself for a moment there. Look at this. Wow. Hey, what do you see in this tree? You see some faces? Get creative with your mind, you'll see a lot of things. Oh, I'll go down.
Well, actually,
Give me.
we could go down, but we have to go the other way.
Yeah. I think we were already there. See, I don't know. Let me go down and find out. I'll be back. Oh wow. This is so nice. It's a beautiful bench here. Sit down and look at this view. This is my view, guys, from the bench that I'm sitting at. Okay. We could go down if you want, but I don't think there's much down there. I mean, it's almost the same as...
Yeah, then let's just head back.
Okay. There's a rabbit, guys. Look at this. I don't want to scare it away, so I'm recording it from distance. Yeah. I just found my friend here. Hati mere sati.